Ang tamang gawin, instead of giving more efforts into her in order for you to attract her, you need to put more efforts, ito sa baba, more efforts back to you, into you. Kapag hindi ka nakaka-attract ng babae, hindi mo dapat bawian sa efforts. Hindi mo dapat bawian sa pagiging mabait mo. No one owes you for being kind, for being nice. No one owes you for that. So in order for you to attract them, you need to put more effort back to you. Kung hindi ka nakaka-attract ng babae, instead of giving them more efforts, give more efforts back to you. Ibig sabihin lang nun, more efforts in order for you to look strong. So ibig sabihin nun, put more effort into yourself, sa sarili mo, improve yourself. When it comes to your looks, improve your fitness, improve your fashion, improve your hygiene. Though, itong tatlong to, bigyan mo lang ng effort yung sarili mo na gawin itong tatlong to, you will look decent. Lalakas na yung dating mo. If you work on these things, if you put effort on these things. Ayusin mo lang yung fitness mo, ayusin mo lang yung katawan mo, kung obese ka, kung overweight ka, ayan, fitness. Fashion, usually kapag maganda naman na yung katawan mo, or usually kapag inalagaan mo naman yung katawan mo, lahat naman na ng damit sa'yo is babagay. You just need to know kung anong gusto mong style, ganyan. And also, hygiene, smelling good. Okay, kasi wala tong mga to kung mabaho ka. Then, isa sa factor yung hygiene. So that's why take care of yourself. If you want to have a great first impression, you want to look attractive. Again, what attractive sa babae, yung female gaze na tinatawag, is strength. You need to look strong in order for you to attract women. So, by working on these three, you will look strong or you will look attractive. Okay, hindi mo kailangan maging 10. Yung, alam mo yun, yung rating, hindi mo kailangan maging 10. You just need to be above average. Kailangan mo lang maging 7 or 8.